In this video, I'm going to tell you why you should use daily documents, which means convince you to move to an app that has one, like RemNote. A tool like RemNote automatically creates this document every day. For the longest time, I never understood the point of daily notes or documents. I mean, like this video if you thought the same at one point. I've watched several videos on Rome Research Workflow Tour or Obsidian Tour, and they show that they use it, but they never really talked about why. If you watch my previous videos, you can see that I used to create documents for everything. When there's a new book, new podcast episode, article, because I thought it was more natural. Because, you know, I got used to it on school. It's how we organize files in our laptop, on RemNote, even in Notion. Like, everything should be in hierarchy. So, when I finished reading a book that day, I thought that I should go to the books folder and summarize it there. Or when I want to remind myself that I have to do something, it makes more sense to directly write that down on my to-do list. Or when I want to record my feelings or thoughts that day, I should just go to my journal document. I was wrong, and here's the main reason why. Daily documents mirror my thoughts. It's messy, yes, it's not pretty, but if you think about it, it truly mirrors how we go about our day. For example, maybe in the morning while using the Calm app to meditate, there was a quote that resonated with me. So that can be the first thing I'm going to put in my daily document. Then at noon, I'm in my Instagram feed and I see that it was my friend's birthday and somehow I forgot about it. So I can also put this in my daily document. So buy Amanda a gift. I don't know any Amanda, this is for demo purposes. I'm also gonna tag this as inbox because right now I'm not ready to schedule this yet. You could also write down some emotional stuff like today I wasn't feeling the best. Also, I created my Twitter account. So it could be random like that. As you can see, it's messy, it's not pretty, it doesn't look organized. And that's perfectly fine because I treat it more like a brain dump. And this is when bi-directional linking really shines. I have a video raving about this feature, so feel free to check that out. But basically, in school, we were taught to learn in silos. We have a notebook or a binder for math class, then a separate one for English, then another one for science. And we never thought that, you know, they're all connected one way or another. So in my example here, I'm gonna make Calm a Rem reference. I mean, it already is, I just didn't do it for demo purposes, but right here. And if I open this, I can see the other information I have. So I started using it on January 2020, recommended by my friend, articles about it, etc. Next thing that I want to do in my daily notes or daily document is make Amanda a Rem reference. And again, she already is here. If I click it, you can see that I put down that she's originally from Germany. She went to school in Canada, traveled to Thailand one summer, likes the Beatles. Talked to her last in Jan 26, 2021. So from this, it gives me an idea what to buy her and also how to personalize the card. I also would make Twitter a Rem reference. And again, it already is. You can see that Ali Abdal, apparently Twitter changed his life and I have the video embedded here, etc. Which is cool. So it's another way to organize it, right? Other reasons why daily documents are amazing are it's efficient and it acts as a diary entry. So it's efficient. When you're on the go and you want to jot something down, yes, you can go to a separate folder for books or a separate folder for podcasts or movies or to-do list or CRM document. You can do that, but it's so much easier to dump all of that in one place and then later when you have time, categorize it accordingly. So you can do that by making some of it a reference, or by adding tags, or adding dates. Basically, it's less pressure to be perfect or to be neat, right? Like, it reduces the friction. So it's just really a quick capture of the day. And last reason is it acts as a diary entry. I think it's pretty cool to see 3 years from now that I started watching the Modern Family series on May 18th and finish it on May 21st. And on May 21st, at the same day, I also had a meeting with Amanda. So it's just, I'm sure most people who use these types of apps already know these benefits before, but I just didn't get it for the longest time. Shout out to the RemNote Discord fam. I started asking around about their workflow and why they use daily documents. And that's partly why I was convinced that I should start making that move. So thank you. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more building a second brain content. I also document my job hunting process, so maybe you're interested in that as well. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.